Better let you in. Hello, birthday boy. Hi. Hi, happy birthday. Right, let's go feed these kitties. Hello, you hungry? Yeah, we hungry. Not very happy, are you? Look at your new haircut, Will. Don't you look smart? Sit properly. Okay. So folks, good morning. It is Thursday morning, babies have just had their breakfast, and today I'm going to do something different, and do something I don't do, like ever. And we're going to attempt to make a low-calorie brownie recipe. If it tastes like shit, you will never see this video. But if it's gone well, hopefully you enjoy it. Let's get into it. So I've actually made two kinds. This one is made with normal rolled oats, and this one, because I wasn't quite sure on texture because that's going to be quite lumpy, we've gone with a smoother one which is made with ready break or Aldi imitation ready break. Basically we're going to see how these two turn out, so let's get them in the oven. Wait. So, while the brownies are cooking, we are going to crack on with this morning's breakfast. So, I'm going to try out my brand new Andrew James waffle maker. So, we've made up a pretty simple batter mix of self-raising flour, a teaspoon of baking powder, a little bit of salt, 1 egg, and some skim milk. Just waiting for this guy to preheat, and then we're going to pop it into there and give this thing a try. Ooh, baking away. Cannot wait to try these. Here we go. So after attempt number 1 and number 2 didn't come out as planned, attempt number 3. Whey! Very nice. Right, off you come, waffle. Lovely. Right, we have mastered the waffle iron. Got to finish it off, of course, with some official maple syrup. That's 15 grams. And that's 30 grams. Lovely. Okay, I officially have 2 minutes and 17 seconds left to eat this before the brownies are done. Well, theoretically done. So let's dig in. Alright, taste test. Oh my god. Where have you been all my life? Probably should have left it on there a bit longer so it's a bit crunchier on the outside, but oh. Oh my dear god. So there is the timer. Okay, so they've had about 30 minutes at 170 degrees. Ooh, yeah. Right, let's do the old brick test. Okay, so the ready brick one can come out. Let you sit there and cool. As for the oatmeal one, yep, come out and cool as well. So there we go, about 30 minutes at 170 degrees, and now we're just gonna let them sit and cool for the next hour and then give them a try. Okay, so here we are an hour later and both of them have cooled, so let's get them all chopped up and give these guys a try. So I've divided these into 16, so they come out about 40 calories per brownie. As you can see, that's pretty decent size-wise for 40 calories. And I've cut these because they're in a circle. I've cut them into kind of pizza shapes. Obviously, they're a lot bigger, and therefore they're 80 calories. But basically, the recipe works out the same caloric level. It's purely just the way I've cut them. So those are the oatmeal. Those are the ready brick. Let's give them a try. We're going to go oatmeal first. Texture's nice. I'd probably happily bump up the calories a little bit to put maybe some Galaxy in there because it is quite bitter, because obviously it's made with dark chocolate, so it does need a little bit of milk or kind of sweetness in there. But tell you what, if you were to combine that with ice cream, it's not a bad shout. A little bit of melted Galaxy would absolutely transform that. It would up the calories, but I think it'd be worth it. You'd still get a low calorie brownie out of it. They'll probably take it, if you want to put a little bit in, take it from probably about 40 calories up to about 60, 80. That's not bad. Considering the fact a Fibre 1 bar is about the same size as that, and they're 90 calories, then I think 80 calories and the fact you've got a Galaxy brownie would be spot on. So we'll give them another try. Right, and now on to the ready brick made once. Exactly the same recipe, only difference is use ready brick instead of oatmeal. Instantly a much more gooey texture, much more brownie-like. Granted, I could have blended the oats, which would have come to the same thing, but I think if you're gonna make them, do it with the ready brick, and like I said, put some Galaxy in. So much better. Okay, so I've just checked, and simply by adding in about 10 pieces of Galaxy to the whole recipe, which will be enough, to be fair, to give it just that little chocolatey twist. You could either make them chocolate chips, or of course, you could turn them into the whole recipe. It only takes each brownie up to 60 calories. 60 calories. So we're definitely gonna make them. Guys, thanks ever so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, then do give it a like for me, and of course share it if you're watching this on Facebook. If you're watching it on YouTube, please give the channel a subscribe if you haven't already, and smash that like button down below. We'll be doing some more food recipes going forwards, some ones which are low calorie and just playing around with different things, so stay tuned for that, but I will see you on the next video. Adios.